Yo, what is up, guys? Today we are playing some...
Do you want me to go onto your thing?
Warrior Tycoon. What the?
War Simulator.
War Simulator, excuse me. Alright, let's play. So, I need to go farm, so I'm gonna go back to, World War I.
World War I? Okay. I want you to be up here with me, soon, okay?
I will.
Because I need your help in one thing. I need to take over this base. I need to kill everyone in that base.
I'll do my best.
Once you get over here. And also, you might be underleveled for how much information you can experience from me just being around. You want to know?
Fire!
Stop yelling.
Never.
Put him down.
I think the snipers don't see me. Oh, nope, they see me.
Should I join your map? I'll just join your map, okay?
Yeah.
Walk back very calmly.
Hold on, why is... What are these and why?
I don't know.
F perks. Let's go. Do I need to reset my character again?
No, you're good. Just keep playing and you'll be fine.
Alright.
I think you need money to do it. Okay?
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Upgrades. Armor explosives.
So you're gonna go, you're in World War I?
Yeah, I'm in World War I.
I'll head over here.
What happened to the thing?
The tower?
The tower, it's gone.
I don't know. Maybe it got destroyed.
Or maybe they...
I'm here!
Or maybe
you want to see my gun? Come over here. Come over here.
I'm trying to get up.
Get over here. I'll show you.
I'm trying to shoot troopers so I can get XP.
Over here. Now.
I'm coming. Ah!
You see me? I'm jumping. I'm jumping, okay? Where are you? Are you there?
Yeah, I'm in World War I.
Hey, you see me? You see me? I'm jumping right in front of you.
Yeah, I see you.
Yeah, that's me. Do you want to see my gun and how fast I can kill people?
One sec.
I'll show you. Now you see.
Got him.
Just like that. I only need one shot and they die.
Hey, let me farm too. Wait, hold on. You can take them out. You can take them out. Oh my god.
You shall die. 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 I have 50 rounds in this thing, by the way.
Cool. It takes 1,000 to get to the next gun. So, I'm gonna get to 1,000, baby. Alright, let's do this.
If you dare come too close, soldier.
Up.
Dead.
One of the machine gunners is gone. I got one of the machine gunners.
Watch this. Yeet. That's a
one of the machine gunners is out.
Oh, I'm gonna hit.
One of the machine gunners is out.
Good.
Yeah. So I'm gonna keep going.
Charge.
What? How is he back there? Charge! Charge the... Oh no, I need a tank.
Got someone.
Good for you.
Die.
Gonna get some missions.
Please give me 0 points, by the way.
Okay.
You shall be silenced, both of you. I killed both the machine gunners on the top thing.
Oh my god. Where is the tower? I need a tower so I can snipe.
Got someone in the head. Something just blew up. I'm gonna go investigate someone.
Got it.
Something. I mean,
Got it. I'll take the left flank, you take the right.
I can take heavy machine gun fire. Like it's. Stay away from me, General.
Wait, hold on. You can take down the troops. You can take down the
You shall die, tower.
Stop it. Die.
I'm gonna go inside the tower.
Time to die.
I just killed the tank with my machine gun.
Oh my God! A tank's
Die.
A tank's adjusting. Come on, big ball, let's ride.
They are all dead.
That's good.
I'm gonna go inside the tower and kill it from the inside out.
Okay.
Die. It's dead.
The machine gun is going.
Are you on the tank? Are you on the tank?
I'm a tank. I'm on a tank.
Die.
I'm on the freaking tank.
I'm cover, okay? I'm covering.
Oh my God, we're in.
You're inside?
Yeah, we're inside.
Okay, I'll shoot.
Oh, and I died. I died. Oh no. Alright, I'm going out of the safe zone.
Die. Nope.
Oh, by the way, guys, if you get me to 1,000 subscribers, I will do a face reveal. So, if you don't subscribe, this is the dude. They die. Wait, hold on. Let me get a bit better.
I'm about to full
If
fire.
you don't subscribe, this is your dude. This is you. You get shot in the head. So, subscribe right now. And I won't come to your room at night. Gonna shoot the troopers so I can get some money.
You should have been fighting all day last night. You should have.
I should have, but I was doing...
You were doing something else.
Yes. Exactly. 1K, I can get the next gun.
You will all die.
Yeah, you will all die.
You're lucky.
Wait, don't you have Robux? I got the
tank just ran me over. Die.
I got the next gun, baby. And it's gonna
General
go...
is down.
Bang! Bang! It's a two-shot. Hold on. Oh my God, this is so good.
You all die.
Two-shot.
Da-da. I'm inside the building.
Melee trooper.
I blew someone up.
Bang.
I repeat, we have the building.
We have the building?
We have the building under control.
Good. Oh, this is so good.
Hi! Someone's ramming me with a tank. Get out of my way.
Stop it! Ah! Get. Fire my bombs. Fire my bombs.
I'm heading.
Bang!
I'm heading outside, and I'm gonna support you.
Help me! Help me! Ah! Oh, got him.
Yeah! Machine gun fire! Ah! I need infinite ammo. Do you agree?
Yeah.
I should have infinite ammo so I can just be like someone with.
Oh, I shot somebody. I got somebody.
Done. You all try to kill me, but you all die.
Ah! Oh my God! I'm almost dead. I can advance. I'm in the tower. I'm advancing into the tower.
You are all very lucky that you're still alive.
One of the towers has been taken.
Good job. You actually can control it?
I took the tower. I killed the man. I'm gonna go kill the other dude. I'm gonna go kill the other dude with my shotgun. Fire at will, soldiers.
Ah, that just ran me over.
Why the tank, dude? Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, got it.
I'm reloading.
Fire! The tanks have, it's been taken. Both towers have been taken.
Nice job.
They're both dead.
Duh.
Only takes a couple shots, baby.
I'm raining down bullets on the below.
Oh, he's back, he's back. The dude's back.
With the tank?
Nope.
Which dude?
The machine. The machine gun.
I don't
Squawkity,
care.
squawkity.
I'm gonna kill everyone.
Squawkity, squawkity. You're gonna get rocketied.
I have an RPG, by the way. I'm reloading.
Oh, I got one of the machine gun
I'm
dudes.
reloading an RPG, okay? I'm about to rain terror on everyone.
Bro, I'm just farming the tower. I'm just farming the tower, dude. Like, ah! Wait, what if I just... Wyatt? T?
I will end everyone. You turret! You shall die!
Oh, bro, that's...
The tank is dead just from my machine gun. Yeah, I'm gonna head up to my own area.
Bro, I'm just farming the towers.
This is too easy. Okay, I'm gonna head to the next.
Now that I have my shotgun, I'm just banging.
I can kill one with one.
I'm just gonna keep farming these dudes.
Get out of my way. Dun. Get out of my way, you nuggets. You shall die.
He's doing like no damage to me.
These are nice.
I know how this one can go up in a bang. Alright, trooper.
I have used
Don't
this
die.
and I've killed everyone.
This one's gonna go. Seamus, look at my screen for a second. This one's gonna go up in a bang. I got my grenade.
Blow it.
It's gonna go up in a bang.
I saw it.
Dunked on, baby. Dang.
I'm heading over to my Vietnam War. Okay.
Got it.
Because this only gives me $1 per kill.
Got it.
I know I killed 2 bajillion ones, but
This dude doesn't have any aim. Bro, I'm just farming him. Ha. I'm just farming everybody outside. Get dunked on, bitch. Ha ha. Only takes a couple shots. Bang, bang. Yeah, I don't care. I don't care.
But what?
Because I want to farm this dude. Get shot. Oop, I don't have any ammo. Fire! I'm literally just farming this dude. I could just pull out my pocket knife right now and just start slashing him and he would be dead. Hold on. Hey, buddy. Oh, that was like a perfect shot. I like moving targets.
Hey,
They are
you.
fun. Oh, got him. Got him.
You are about to be destroyed.
Oh, get dunked on.
This tank is cheating. Calling in the mistake.
Bang, bang. I'm literally just covering all the dudes when I shoot the tower. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire.
This chick will be
Got a machine gunner.
dust.
Fire, fire. Bro, it only takes like 2 shots, then he's bang, bang, dead. Drop down dead. Alright, buddy. Hey, guys. You forgot about me and my shotgun.
Reloading.
Say hello to my little friend. Say hello to my little friend, buddy.
Died.
Say hello to my little friend.
They do so much damage.
Say hello to my little friend. Little friend. Bro, just get dunked on. This is what it's like. We're under fire. Wait,
Sounds are just ignoring.
bruh, this is easy. I could literally just sit here and farm.
I know, it's too easy, man.
It's too easy. Get dunked on. This is me and Technoblade and Hypixel. Not like I knew him. He's dead before I could make my YouTube channel. Bro, I'm literally just... It's just taking 2 shots and then he's dead. I already have, my friend. Don't touch my pocket knife,
I had
Seamus.
to look at it. Are you still recording?
Yes. It's only been 16 minutes. Bro, this dude's not even killing me. Like, Seamus, look, I just got shot a bunch. No health.
Yeah.
I'm not even dead. Like, bro, my shotgun is
You'll be
lucky.
spared for 5 seconds. AKA none. You tank.
Fire. Not the trooper duper.
Done.
Like, look, Seamus, come look right now. He's shooting at me.
You're not taking damage at all. Just kill him already. He needs to be put out of his misery.
I've been killing him. I have 2K.
You have 2K. Tiny weasels on a tiny vehicle.
Tiny weasels on a tiny weasel. I can travel to a new era already.
Then do it.
One sec. I'm gonna
Do it.
I'm gonna keep farming until I have a 10K. I'm gonna keep farming until I have 10K. Chick, chick, bang.
I have 1 million.
This is gonna go up in a
I have
bang.
1 million. 1 million.
This is gonna go up in a bang.
Base to get some new armor and everything.
This one's gonna go up in a bang. I'm holding a grenade.
This one will be spared into a
Fire!
fire.
Oh no, fire! Get dunked on, buddy. Gonna finish you off with my little friend. Alright. I think that's enough farming.
Okay.
Bro, I just farmed for like 10 straight hours. Something.
Feels like it, but you actually didn't.
Bro, the tank stands nothing against my shotgun.
I'm teaching
The shotgun is my choice. The shotgun is the one that I choose.
One fire from my RPG, and they die.
Bruh, the only one who can literally hit me is the melee troopers. Oh no, I just exited. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
You want your RPG over the hill.
Oh no, this is bad. This is really bad. Oh my god, I literally just exited my thing. Alright, let's get back into the game.
Pause it!
Too late. Okay, everybody just pretend you didn't see that, okay? Thank you. I won't hit you with my pocket knife in your dreams. Okay. I gotta go to the bathroom. Hey, Seamus. Okay, my bowels have been cleared. I don't want to say what. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up.
Are you done? What's that? We're gonna stop this. Outro.
Oh, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and mind that notification button away. Now, I'm gone.